All right, let's turn now to Stephanie Whitfield near downtown, where a news conference just wrapped up on the federal lawsuit. Stephanie.
A.J. Armstrong's civil attorney called this press conference outside the HPD property room because they claim this is where officers planted evidence used in his murder trial. What we're talking about is brand new blood evidence discovered this summer. It actually delayed the start of this third trial. Investigators say they found blood on the shirt A.J. was wearing the night his parents were murdered. Now, A.J. is suing the city of Houston. The 51-page federal lawsuit claims that blood evidence was planted. It says police officers never saw blood on his shirt that night in 2016. The document also points to other cases where Houston police did plant evidence. Family members are not speaking until there's a verdict in the criminal case, but this is what his civil attorney said during a press conference about 2 hours ago.
And they all testified in court they saw no DNA evidence. So how is it all of a sudden after 7 years, oops, here's the DNA evidence?
This federal lawsuit was filed yesterday, the same day the jury began deliberations. Attorney Randall Kallinen says that's intentional. He says he wanted to file as soon as possible to put the city on notice to preserve evidence. But they also wanted to wait until the jury is sequestered during deliberations. That means that the jury has no access to outside information or press conferences like this one today. They say this new civil case should have no impact on the criminal trial. Back to you.
Lots of moving parts. Thank you, Stephanie. Our coverage continues at KHOU.com, and there you can read the latest on the trial and more on the federal lawsuit against the city. We will, of course, break in when a verdict is reached.